Good day everyone. For today's video, we're going to tackle about the nutrients that we can get in vegetables. Vegetables are important source of nutrients that keep our body healthy and strong. Here are nutrients that we can get from cucumber, alugbati, talong, ampalaya, and kalabasa. First, cucumber. Cucumber contains vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and a lot of water. This helps our body hydrated and improve our bones and skin. Number 2, alugbati. Alugbati has iron, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and folate. These are good for strong bones, healthy blood, and good eyesight. Number 3, eggplant. Eggplant is rich in fiber, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, and antioxidant. These nutrients help in digestion and protect ourselves from diseases. Number 4, ampalaya. Ampalaya is known for its vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, fiber, and antioxidants. It helps strengthen the immune system and control blood sugar level. Last but definitely not the least, number 5, kalabasa. Kalabasa provides vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients help to improve eyesight, strengthen immune system, and aid digestion. These vegetables are not only delicious but also nutritious. Eating it regularly every day can help our body strong and protective from diseases.